Hey guys, I am building another one of those narrow console tables like the video I recently put out, and I came up with an idea just to give some flexibility on the design. I thought maybe it'd be interesting to you. So here, this is the back side of the table. So what I did was when I was putting in the pocket holes, I put in one in each corner. Now these are 3/4 inch setting and they're set in an inch on each side. So I got on each of the 4 corners, as you can see there. And you say, why would you put something there when you're not having anything connected? Well, here's the deal. With this V-bracing, what if you wanted, or the customer wanted to change it around, and you could go from the top down to each side? It just gives some flexibility on what kind of look you like. So ahead of time, I put in the 2 pocket holes, split it right down the middle of the space, and then an inch either way, put the 3/4 inch setting pocket hole, top and bottom. Just an idea. Oh, let me show you what I just finished building. I'm on my way to out of state to see my grandkids, and I'm going to take them this. Just finished building that. It actually fits in our car, so I'm going to take it up and give it to them to enjoy for the summer. So you guys, I hope this gives you some idea. Oh, here's another point. For those of you who have my miter angle calculator app for the X bracing, all you do for something like this is just split this space right here, right down the middle, and just measure from here over and from here up. Input those figures, and that'll give you the angle for, instead of a cross bracing, all you need is just one side. And then it'd be the same for the other as long as you measured right down the middle. And then again, if you wanted to flip these around, they would fit up here down to this way. All right, hope this helps. I'll talk to you guys in a future video.